Guys, welcome back. It is day 2 of January, and today I am trying to tame this mess and bring my curls back to life. Let's go. Alright, so I'm starting off with some wet hair, and I'm taking some olive oil, and I'm also going to take some honey, y'all. And I'm also going to take some mayo, and this mayo has olive oil, or it's either organic, but that doesn't really matter. Mix it all together real nice, and I'm going to take my time and distribute it evenly throughout my hair. Now I'm a little distracted because I'm watching TV at the same time, but just take your time, don't rush. You want to have a good slip throughout your hair, and if you need to, feel free to just take a spray bottle and add some water to it just so your hair stays pretty wet and you're able to really glide the products through your hair. So these products are really important. Olive oil, for one, is going to add some softness and shine to your hair. It's going to also deeply condition, reduce frizz, and it's just a good remedy for split ends. I like the honey because honey is going to also add shine. It's going to prevent that hair loss, and it also strengthens your hair follicles. And for the mayonnaise is important because it is also going to help your hair grow. It's going to help strengthen your hair as well. It helps define your curls. If you have colored hair, treated hair, it protects colored or treated hair, so it's good for that. It's also going to help with dandruff, and it's also going to help calm any frizziness and tame any unwanted frizz rather that you get throughout your hair. So these 3 products together are a great mask that you can put on your hair and just let your hair just absorb everything that it needs to be great and shiny. So once I'm done, I'm playing around, but once I'm done, I'll put it all into a plastic bag or a Target bag and tie it up real nice and tight. This, you can leave it on your hair like this, or you can feel free to sit under a heated dryer for maybe like 15 minutes or so. And this is just going to be a great way to bring those curls back to life. And once they're rinsed out, and I will use shampoo, y'all, to rinse this out. You don't want to just rinse it out. These are the curls. These are the results, y'all. And my curls are popping, if I do say so myself. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Keep shining bright like a diamond, y'all. Bye.